Wow, this soya milk is so good. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you how I made this. This is roasted soya beans and we're going to be making soya milk with it. I have here 1 cup of roasted soya beans and I'm going to add it some dates. I have about 10 or 11 dates here. So all I'll do now is to seed the date, that is remove the seed from this date, wash it and then add it to my soya beans. Keep watching. Next, I'll pour in some clean water into the soya beans and the dates. Cover and allow it to soak and rest for about 30 to 60 minutes. After about 1 hour, the beans are soaked in the water. The beans is soft now and the date is also soft. So I will go to my sink, sieve out the water and transfer the beans and date into my blender. Then I'll add enough water into my blender to blend them. After blending, this is what we have. I'm not going to sieve this. We are drinking it like this as a smoothie or as a milk, as a meal, however you want it, but I'm not going to sieve it. So I'm going to add it a little more water to make it a bit lighter than it is. I'll blend again for a few seconds and it is ready. If you are watching your weight and looking for a high protein breakfast, this is a go-to. It is so filling and very satisfying. If you want a very light soya milk that can last you for days, you can sieve it. You need to sieve it, but we're not sieving this one. I'm drinking this one this way. And I tell you, it is so delicious. And this is another easy way to make your soya milk. You can just buy, if you don't have the strength to go through the process of making soya beans milk from scratch, you can just buy soya granules or roasted soya beans and make your own soya milk at the comfort of your home. This is so delicious, so delicious. You try it and you will thank me. It is so delicious. And with this method too, your soya milk is not going to get thick or congeal when you put it in the freezer. It's going to come out smooth again when you defrost it. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.